Do you enjoy using drones for photography? If so, you are aware of the significance of having a proper sun hood for your DJI RC2. Your images won't be ruined by glares and reflections if you use a sun hood. We'll be looking at the best DJI RC2 sun hood available right now in this video.
Welcome to Best Budget Info. Here, we review tech products to help you make the best purchasing decision. Our team stays busy to keep you updated on latest tech trends. To purchase the right product, check out the links in the description and subscribe to my channel.
Here we have DJI RC Sun Hood. When looking for the best sun cover for your DJI RC2, the DJI RC Sun Hood is a great option. This sun hood has been specifically created for attaching securely and steadily to the DJI RC2 remote controller. The remote control shade had been created to work with the DJI RC remote. It successfully deflects sunlight and glare from the sides and top, improves screen visibility, and gives you a clear view while flying outside. The remaining glare reduction capabilities of the DJI Sun Hood are one of its standout features. High-quality nylon used in the design effectively blocks sunlight, reducing glare and reflections on the screen of your remote control. This implies that even in bright and sunny conditions, you can clearly see the live stream and settings of your drone. Finish squinting and straining to see the action on your screen. Convenience was another factor in the design of the DJI Sun Hood. It may be simply folded up into a little package that is portable and simple to carry. This is especially useful for filmmakers and photographers who need a sun hood that can be readily packed into their camera bag or backpack and are often on the go. The sun hood also offers a simple and quick installation technique. Velcro straps are used to securely attach it to the DJI RC2 remote controller, ensuring a tight fit without any swaying or slipping. The DJI Sun Hood does not fall short when it comes to durability. It is constructed from a high-quality, water-resistant material that is durable enough for outdoor use. As a result, you may fly your drone in all kinds of weather without worrying about that the sun hood will get damaged. The DJI Sun Hood will reliably cover the screen of your remote controller whether you're shooting in a desert or by the sea. The DJI Sun Hood's accessory compatibility is another benefit. It's made to fit lanyards, cables, and other attachments as well as extra accessories. So here is the best audio to buy. If you enjoyed our video, leave a like and subscribe for future updates.